In the previous movie, we learned how to group our contacts. In this movie, we're going to learn how to send out an email from the Participant Center. The reason you may want to use the Participant Center to send your email is because there are many professional templates to choose from, and you can track who has read your email and how many you've sent. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do that now. At the top of the Participant Center, you will see different options. Click on the one that says Email. This is where you can compose emails, save drafts, view sent messages, and add contacts. The menu on the right side of the screen has all the options depending on what you want to work on. We're going to go in order and review each option. First, we have the Compose a Message option. You'll notice that this looks like most email message bodies, so it's familiar and easy to use. Emailing here is super easy. Add addresses to the To field, create a subject, and compose your message in the large text box. The Participant Center logs you out after 15 minutes of inactivity, which includes when you are composing your email. I recommend writing your text in an external text editor and then copy-paste it into this box. Our email also has a few added bonuses. At the top, you will see 3 options next to the Send button. You can save your email as a draft, which will be stored in the draft section for future emails, or return to a draft you're working on. You can preview your email, and the Save as Template option. This will save to the Template section, which is actually next. Right below the To and Subject fields, you will notice a link, Use a Template. Click on that, and a drop-down menu appears. You can select one of the following types of emails: the 10K fundraising template, fundraising email, thank you email, and finally, write your own message, which are messages you save as a template. If I click on the thank you email, the subject and body now have a text. You can either send as is, or you can personalize it. After you do that work, you can then save your personalized version as a template, and it will be here when you want to send it again. I find this super helpful, especially when sending donors a quick thank you after they've given a donation. The next customization you can choose to do is include a personal greeting. Selecting this option means your email will start with a Dear Judy. The greeting will be connected to the name in your contact list with the email address. So depending on your relationship with the email group, you may or may not want to use this feature. In this example, Judy is my mother, so I wouldn't want to use Dear Judy because you would think I was bonkers for writing an email starting with Dear Judy. Gauging your audience is key. You might not be on a first-name basis with some. Dear might be too formal, or some people have nicknames. The system will not recognize the nicknames unless you change their information in the contact section. Finally, at the bottom, we have a selection of banner art from which to choose. Take a peek and feel free to try each one. Be sure to check out the 10K option. You can select banner art and your email will go out looking like this. Once selected and you are ready, simply hit Send. The next section on the right is Drafts. This will show all messages that you have saved as a draft, and you can simply click on the subject to return to the message you were writing. You can also delete drafts here. The next section is Sent. You can look up all sent messages and search by name, email, or subject line, and you will see a list of sent emails here. You can click on the message to view it and copy the text for other messages if you need, or you can confirm if you sent a specific person an email. For other videos, tutorials, workshops, and information, please visit the AIDS LifeCycle website and contact your cyclist or roadie representative. Thanks, everyone.